Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how you can add column line in Excel. First you need to click and drag the highlight the cells where you want the line to appear, and then click on the home tab and locate the font group and click the drop down arrow next to the border icon, and now select the right border, and here you can see that a thin column line has been added. If you want to remove the line, select it and click on this border and click no border. This line has been removed. If you want custom colors or a thicker line, for this you need to select the range of the cells, go to the border icon and click on the more borders and click on the border tab, and here you need to select the line, select the color of your choice, for example red, and in the border box you need to click on the right side of the border box and click on the OK, and here you can see that a red line has been added. Another way is that you need to go to the insert, click on the illustrations and click on the shapes, and under the line you need to select the line. So hold down the shift key and drag the mouse to draw the straight line. Go to the shape format and click on the shape outline, click on the weight and increase the weight. You can change the color as well to the red, and if you want to change it to the dashes you can change it to dash like this one. You can move this line to anywhere in the column. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can add column line in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.